Hello everyone, welcome back to 3DV official YouTube channel. In this video we will show you how to install Nuitrack and use it with 310, popular application for VTubers. Let's get started. First of all we click Buy Nuitrack on nuitrack.com. Then please fill in the form. Check your email for a trial activation key and the necessary information. Now we download Nuitrack for Windows x64 and install it. Now let's restart the system. Plug in any sensor from the list at nuitrack.com sensors. We especially recommend Kinect and Orbbec Astra. Copy the key from the letter and launch Nuitrack. Select a sensor from the list. Then activate it using the trial key from the letter. In future, if you want to remove the trial per minute operation limit, you can upgrade to the Pro version. Go to 310 website and select 310 Pro V2. Then go to the order page and purchase 310 Pro version 2 if it's not purchased yet. After that, go to your 310 account and download 310 Pro version 2. Then we'll install it. Then we'll launch it and run Nuitrack tracking. Perfect. We have the avatar moving. Now everything is ready to become a VTuber. If you like this video, click like button and subscribe to our channel to get content like this. Thank you for your attention. Bye.